Okay, good morning students. Today you're going to learn on topic ionic bond. Now, what is ionic bond? Ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons between a metal atom and a non-metal atom. Now, let's look. Ionic bond is a bond formed through transfer of electron between metal and non-metal. Now, I want you to recall back what you have learned in your chapter 4 previously. Based on your chapter 4, you have already learned all the elements in the periodic table can be classified into metal and non-metal. Now, which group of the elements are metal in periodic table? Yes, group 1, group 2, group 2, 3 to 12 and group 13. So in short we can say that all the elements from group 1 to 13 are metals. Whereas for the non-metal elements are come from group 14 till group 17. Now let's look at metal elements which are from group 1 to group 13. When I say group 1, you understand that group 1, they have one valence electron. Are they stable? No, right? Okay, for them to achieve a stable octet or duplet electron arrangement, what this element has to do? We have already learned in group 1 how they behave, how they react with other elements. So to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement, they need to donate their valence electron. So that is what I've written here. As you can see is minus E. Minus E means all the metal elements will donate its valence electron and form positive ion so that they can able to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. In return, the non-metal elements, they will receive electron and form negative ion to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Okay, so do you understand now about metal and non-metal, how they able to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement? The metal will donate its electron and form positive ion. In return, the non-metal will receive the electron donated by the metal elements to form negative ions. Now let's look at the formation of the ions. The positive ion and the negative ion form through the reaction of transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. They will occur a force. Now what is the name of this force? This force is called electrostatic forces of attraction. So hence the positive ion and the negative ion will be attracted together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Hence at the end they will form the respective ionic compounds. Okay, now based on this diagram illustration, you can understand well how come the sodium atom can become sodium ion. That means the sodium atom which has electron arrangement 281 donate its one valence electron and form ion sodium which is 2,8. So with this you are able to write the half equation. The half equation for the formation of sodium ion is Na arrow Na plus E. Okay, stage 2 will be the formation of chloride ions. Now let's look at chlorine atom. Now the chlorine atom, the electron arrangement of chlorine atom is 287. Now to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement, chlorine atom will receive one electron to its valence shell. Now over here I want you to be careful. Look at the usage, 1 electrons and to its valence shell. So you have to be careful when go for non-metals. Non-metals, when you write they receive electron. Metal will donate valence electron, whereas non-metal will receive electron, and they receive electron to their valence shell. This is compulsory word you must have in your essay writing later. Hence, it will form chloride ions. Now, as you can see the electron arrangement diagram for chloride ions, after it received the one electron donated by the sodium atom, hence it formed chloride ions, where the electron arrangement of chloride ion will be 288. Thus, the half equation for the formation of chloride ion is Cl plus E arrow out Cl negative. The final stage will be the formation of sodium chloride. Now, let's look at this diagram. Now, upon formation of sodium ion and chloride ions, as you can see here, sodium ion, the electron arrangement is 28, whereas chloride ion is 288. Both have achieved their stable octet electron arrangement. Now, the sodium ion and the chloride ion, which are oppositely charged, the positive and the negative ions, will be attracted together by strong electrostatic. There's a force between these two ions. The force is called electrostatic force. Okay, the force between these two ions are called electrostatic force, and this is strong force. So once this strong force is formed, hence it will form the sodium chloride compound. Okay, now let's look at how to write an essay on formation of ionic compound. So over here I've given you a guidance with the points for you to write the ionic compound. So for whatever compounds for ionic compound formation, you have to start the story from the metal elements. So over here the metal element is sodium, so your point 1 will be the electron arrangement of sodium atom is 281. Point 2, sodium atom has one valence electron. Point 3, sodium atom donates its one valence electron to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement and forms sodium ion with an electron arrangement 2,8. And then you have to enclose with a half equation for the formation of the ion. Now, so these are the 3 pieces of information you have to talk for formation of positive ion by metal. Now, I want you to focus here. These are the keywords: electron arrangement of sodium atom. Remember, the word atom is very important. Okay, and then second point, sodium atom has valence electron. Okay, for metal we are focusing to valence electron. They are going to donate their valence electron. And then sodium atom donates how many valence electron? 1. To achieve why they have to donate to stable electron arrangement. And then after they donate, what they achieve, they form the ion. And you have to show the electron arrangement of the ion. And upon that, please enclose with the half equations. Okay, now for the non-metal, chlorine. So for chlorine also we will focus to the first 3 information similar to sodium. So point 4, you will start on chlorine atom. The electron arrangement of chlorine atom is 287. Okay, chlorine atom has 7 valence electron. Point 6, chlorine atom receive 1 electron. Remember here, for non-metal we use electron to its valence shell to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement and form chloride ion with an electron arrangement 288. Hence you get the half equation Cl plus E arrow out Cl negative. Okay, point 7. The oppositely charged sodium ion and chloride ions are held together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. And point 8, you are right, an ionic compound with a chemical formula NaCl is formed. So with this, complete on essay writing on ionic compound.